Hello, everyone. I wanted to jump on here and talk about the last projection in the foot analysis that you guys took. The last projection was a lateral foot practice, and a majority of you answered it incorrectly or did not know what was actually going on there. So I wanted to review a slide that it was not in your current Google Slides or presentation, which is my fault. You didn't have that information. So when you look at this practice analysis, we can see there is some rotation and irregularities with the talar domes not being superimposed, and we can't see that joint space. In this projection, you can see that the lateral talar dome is proximal to the medial talar dome. Less than half of the cuboid is demonstrated posterior to the navicular bone, and the talocalcaneal and tibiotalar joint spaces are closed. This should indicate to you that the proximal lower leg was actually elevated farther from the IR and than the distal leg, so that caused some mal positioning there. In order to correct this, you want to depress the lower leg, extending the knee, or elevate the distal lower leg on a sponge. You also need to dorsiflex that foot to that 90-degree angle with the lower leg to get an accurate projection. And this here is the projection that that was in your quiz. So everyone received points for that question because, like I said, it was the information was not provided to you in the PowerPoint presentation. But I do applaud everyone's attempt, and I hope that this short little presentation here clears up any questions about that question in the quiz. Thank you guys for participating. Hope you had a wonderful weekend.